Good morning, everyone. Today topic is plasticizer. Myself, Dr. J. Sagaruban, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So, what is plasticizer? Plasticizer is a chemical compound. It is also called as a water reducer. It is enable the production of concrete approximately 15 percentage less water content. Super plasticizer allow reduction in water content by 30 percentage or more. These additives are employed at the level of few weight percentage. What is first of all we will see the plasticizer and next we can see the super plasticizer. Requirement of right workability in a essence of good concrete. Concrete is in different situation require different degree of workability. A high degree workability is required situation like deep beams, thin walls of water retaining structure, the high percentage of steel reinforcement column and beam junction, pumping of concrete, hot weather concreting for a concrete is conveyed for a considerable distance and in ready mix concrete industry. So the conventional method follow for obtaining high workability is by improving the gradation or by use of relatively higher percentage of fine aggregate or by increasing the cement content. There are difficulties and limitation to obtain high workability in the field for given set condition. The easy method generally followed at the site in most of the condition is to be extra water, unmindful of the harm it can do to the strength and durability of the concrete. So today we have plasticizer and super plasticizer to help an engineer placed in different type of situation. These plasticizer can help the difficult condition for obtaining higher workability without using excess of water. One must remember that addition of excess water will only improve the fluidity or consistency, not the workability of the concrete. So this excess water will not improve the inherent good quality such as homogeneity and cohesiveness of mix with reduce the tendency of segregation and bleeding. Whereas the plasticer concrete will improve the desirable quality demand of plastic concrete. The practice all over the world now is used to use of plasticizer or super plasticizer. For almost all reinforced concrete and even of for a mass concrete to reduce the water requirement for making concrete for a higher workability or flowing concrete. The use of super plasticizer has become almost universal practice to reduce the water cement ratio for the given workability, which naturally increase the strength. Moreover, the reduction of water cement ratio improve the durability of the concrete. Sometimes the use of plasticizer is employed to reduce the cement content and heat of hydration in the mass concrete. Actually, that plasticizer is mainly to fluidity the mix, improve the workability of concrete mortar or grout. The mechanism that are involved could be explained in the following way. First is depression. Portland cement being in the fine state of division, which have the tendency to flocculate in wet concrete. The flocculation entrap certain amount of water used in the mix, and thereby all the water is not freely available to fluidity of the mix. When the plasticizer are used, they get absorbed on the cement particle. The absorption of charged polymer on the particle of cement create particle to particle repulsive forces which overcome the attractive forces. The repulsive force is called zeta potential, which depends on the base solid content quality of plasticizer used. The overall result is that the cement particle and defloggulated and dispersed. The cement particle are defloggulated, the water trapped into the focus gel, flocus gel released and now available to the fluidity of the mix. Many of the research works explain that one or more following mechanism may be take place simultaneously. Reduction in surface tension of the water, increase electrostatic repulsion between particles of the cement, lubrication film between cement particle, depression of cement grains, releasing water trapped within cement flock, change in morphology of the hydration product. So it may be noted that all the plasticizer are to some extent to set retarders depending upon the base of plasticizer concentration and dosage can be used. These plastics are actually used to it maybe can produce uh, same water cement ratio much more workable concrete than the plain one. For same workability, it permits the use of lower water cement ratio. As a consequence of increased strength with lower water cement ratio, it permits the reduction of cement content. The superplastics also produce homogeneous cohesive concrete generally without any tendency segregation, and this is all about the plasticizer and super plasticizer. Thank you.